Hi, Wild Woodsman here. Today we're going to be going through from Ember to Flames in a bit more detail because there was a question posed on my YouTube channel as to how it works. Okay, great. So how does this work? You make the amber, whether it's char cloth or whatever, all the principles are all the same. You start blowing gently at first and ensure that it's insulated in the material you are trying to ignite, and just introducing oxygen to that to complete the fire triangle. So what you're effectively doing is adding oxygen and fuel and heat, and which your heat is obviously the form of your ember, and then in turn forms flame, and then your tinder burns as fuel, and then you can then use it to ignite kindling, and then so on and so forth. So I hope that's demystified a few things for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, ring that notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos, and share this because you know you want to, and get out there, have fun, and I'll be out with a new video as soon as I can. Thanks guys.